Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in the Philippines studying and exploring about the Filipino culture and the way of living. Yesterday I shared with you the experience of riding tricycle. Tricycle is a common mode of transportation here in the Philippines used by the Filipino people moving here and there, which is also the cheapest mode of transportation as well. Today I'm going to share with you the experience of riding a boat, which is for me a little bit of scary, but let's ride together and have fun. So we're gonna wait for the tricycle again because it's like 5 minutes distance from here to the boat station. We're gonna go to the small house, which is my family's old house. They used to live there before. We will experience a house which is on the river, on top of the river. It's a river in the Philippines. It's actually a sea, but this is like, other part of sea, they call it river. So the house is on top of the on the sea, you can say, or a small river. So let's wait for the tricycle, then we're gonna ride the boat, and I'll share with you the experience all the way going to the house on the river. So tricycle is here. We're gonna ride the tricycle to go to the boat station. So we are here now at the boat station and we're gonna ride this boat. I'm gonna show you here down. It's so scary riding the boat. Nana, don't cry.
Hi, you will go or no? Come here, Zin.
Nana, go down.
Tomorrow na lang, tomorrow pagbalik na to.
So we are here in the boat successfully. We ride. Okay. still working. The boat is now turning to the other side, and let's see how he's gonna manage to fit into the boat parking. Okay, I think this is the most difficult job for them to, you know, really fit into the parking slot. Okay, so we're gonna stop the boat here. This is the house. We'll go to the other side. So here's the house on the river. Okay. Once again, you're gonna hold here to direct it to the parking slot. It's a difficult job. It's really a difficult job. Okay. Okay, good. So he will tie it here, then we're gonna go up from these stairs. So these are the stairs. So I'm already up. Others are still going up. This was today's boat experience. I'll share with you what comes next. Thanks for watching videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.